Hello guys, welcome to EduTap. I am your educator Prakash. I am a company secretary and a law graduate. And guys, in today's session, we are going to discuss the important MCQs related to chapter 6 and chapter 9 of Indian Penal Code 1860. Right guys, so this is going to be the lecture number 19. So those who have not attended the previous lectures, they can watch those lectures by going to the playlist of SEBI Grade A Legal Officer exam on our YouTube channel, right guys? So there you will get the playlist of SEBI Grade A legal examination, in which all videos which we have recorded till yet for SEBI Grade A legal exam are available, right guys? So you can watch by referring the link given in the description box below. Now let's proceed guys. So guys, as you all know that we have launched practice 5000 plus MCQ course for SEBI Grade A legal examination, and that too for paper 2 of this examination, that is for legal paper, right? And this course will cover the entire syllabus of phase 1 as well as phase 2. So you do not need to worry, you just need to refer this course, and guys, you will cover end-to-end syllabus. What is the syllabus of SEBI Grade A legal examination? You will cover in its entirety, right guys? And as a part of this course, you will be given chapter wise MCQs. That is the chapter mentioned in the syllabus of your SEBI Grade examination. You will get the MCQs accordingly, right? And as a part of this course guys, you will also get 500 plus free MCQs, right? Around 500 plus free MCQs. So take advantage of these MCQs, solve them, and if you find them suitable, then have this course. Otherwise you are already going in the right direction, right guys? Now let's move to the next content, right guys? We have launched one another course, that is SEBI Grade A legal officer free starter pack of 7 days, right? So this will cover the whole dimension of SEBI Grade A legal officer examination, like the eligibility, the cutoff, the strategy, how to strategize your preparation of SEBI Grade A legal officer examination, the salary and profile of SEBI Grade A legal officer, etc, right? So you will get a lot of things as a part of this course. And guys, those 500 plus MCQs, that is free of cost MCQs, you will get as a part of this course also, right? And that is absolutely free. So do enroll for this course and take advantage of this course, right guys? So the link of this course is given in the description box below. Now those who are new here, do subscribe our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel to get the latest updates as well as the PDF of our YouTube sessions. And guys, these are our achievers for yesterday's questions, that is Saloni Mathur, Jyoti Namdev, Agni, Gaurav Mishra as well as Ujjwala, right? So you all have given the right answer. So I congratulate all. You guys are preparing really very well, and your dedication and commitment, I can see definitely you are going to clear this examination, right guys? Now let's move to the today's content. Now guys, question number first is, waging war against the government of India is covered under which section of Indian Penal Code 1860? So your options are section 120A, section 120B, section 121, section 120, or none of the above. So guys, you all have to participate in the session. This is going to be very fruitful for you when you appear in your actual examination, right? So that there you can see the result, the outcome of these exercises, right guys? So do participate in the session as much as you can, irrespective of the fact that you do not know the answer. Make a blind guess, guys. Sorry. Make blind guesses here, because here we do not have the provision of negative marking, right? No one is going to judge you here. These sessions are being conducted so that you can learn a lot of things. You can do mistakes here itself, and you are not supposed to do mistakes in your actual examination. So do all the mistakes here, learn from your mistakes, gain the knowledge which we are delivering here, right guys? So that these all things will definitely combinedly will give you the result at your D-Day, right guys? So tell me the right answer for question number first. So the right answer for question number first is option number C, that is section 121 of Indian Penal Code. So if you refer section 121, so it is waging war, waging or attempting to wage war, or abetting waging of war against the government of India. So whoever wages war against the government of India, or attempts to wage such war, or abets the waging of such war, shall be punished with the death or imprisonment for life, and shall also be liable to fine, right? So Ujjwala is saying option number first C. Yes, you are right, Ujjwala. Your answer is correct. That is first, C is the right answer for question number first, right guys? Now let's move to the question number second. So question number second is, which is an essential ingredient of sedition? So your options are dishonest intention, Malified intention, words spoken must cause public disorder by acts of violence. Words spoken must be capable of exciting disaffection towards the government, or both C as well as D. So tell me the right answer for question number second. What is the right answer, guys, for question number 2? So the right answer for question number 2 is option number D, that is words spoken must be capable of exciting disaffection towards the government, right? So when you read the section 124A of Indian Penal Code, it defines sedition as whoever by words either spoken or written or by signs or by visible representation or otherwise brings or attempts to bring into hatred or contempt or excites or attempts to excite disaffection towards the government, right? Disaffection towards the government. I hope you got the clarity, guys. Now let's move to the question number. Shivam is saying option number 3, that is no, the right answer is option number D, right, guys? So one more request, guys. First of all, mention the question number, then mark your answer so that I do not get confused what question you are referring here, right? So first mention question number, then mark your answer. Now let's move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, which of the following does not constitute sedition? Right? Again, the question from sedition. So your options are comments expressing disapprobation of the measures of the government with a view to obtain their alteration by lawful means without exciting or attempting to excite hatred, contempt or disaffection, right? This is option number 1. Option number 2 is comments expressing disapprobation of the administrative or other action of the government without exciting or attempting to excite hatred, contempt or disaffection. Option number C is words exciting disaffection towards the government. Option number D is A and B only, or E is all of the above. Guys, first of all, read the question properly. Which of the following does not constitute? So first of all, you have to identify whether this question is about the correct or incorrect statement, because sometimes we make a blunder there that we take the question otherwise and we make that question wrong, right? So first of all, you have to identify that whether the question is asking about the correct or incorrect statement, right? So now tell me the right answer for question number 3. Tell me, guys, what is the right answer for question number 3? So the right answer for question number 3 is option number D, that is A and B only, right? We are talking about the incorrect statement that does not constitute sedition, right, guys? So A and B is the right answer. So section 124A, words exciting disaffection towards the government will amount to sedition. Explanation 2 and 3, that is A and B shall not amount to sedition as per section 124A of the Indian Penal Code 1860, right? Now let's move to the question number 4. So guys, the question number 4 is A joins insurrection against the government of India, right? Read the question properly. Then A has committed no offense. A has committed the offense under section 121. A has to participate actively in order to be liable under section 121. A and C only, or B and C only. So what is the right answer for question number 4? Tell me, guys, the right answer for question number 4. Read the question properly, then try to attempt that. Guys, whatever questions we are covering through our YouTube sessions, they are very much important, and you all are supposed to revise all these MCQs before your actual examination. And guys, I believe a lot of questions will be there in your actual examination from these questions itself. That is why I am saying that we are discussing the most important MCQs from every topic mentioned in the syllabus of your examination. So tell me the right answer. The right answer for question number 4 is option number B, that is A has committed the offense under section 121, right? So even only joining an insurrection makes A liable for an offense under section 121 of the Indian Penal Code 1860, right, guys? Now let's move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is personating public servant is dealt under which of the following section? Your options are section 168 of IPC, section 169 of IPC, section 170 of IPC, section 171 or section 172 of IPC. So guys, tell me the right answer for question number 5. Ujjwala is saying option B for 4th question. Yeah, you are right. So it's a B, the right answer for question number 4th. Now we are discussing question number 5. Tell me the right answer, guys. What is the right answer for question number 5th? So the right answer for question number 5th is, guys, option number C, that is section 170 of Indian Penal Code. So when you read section 170, it lays down the offense of personating a public servant. So whoever pretends to hold any particular office as a public servant, even though he knows that he does not hold such office, or he falsely personates any other person holding such office, and in that assumed character he either does or attempts to do any act under color of such office, shall be punished under section 170. Right, guys? So I hope you got the clarity. Guys, I am saying that even you do not know the answer, try to make a blind guess. No one is here to judge you. You are not supposed to, we are not having any provision of negative marking here, right? It is just for your enrichment, just for your knowledge enrichment, guys. These sessions are being conducted, so take full advantage. Do participate in the session. I'm insisting you again and again, right? Now let's move to the question number 6th. So guys, question number 6th is, A, being an officer directed by law to take property in execution, then in order to satisfy a decree pronounced in Z's favor by a court of justice, knowingly disobeys the direction of law with the knowledge that he is likely thereby to cause injury to Z. A has committed the offense defined under which of the following section of Indian Penal Code? Right? So the options are section 165, section 166, section 166A, section 167, or section 168. Guys, being a law graduate, you are supposed to have knowledge of the important provisions, important sections of the act, important articles of the constitution, right? So you have to have idea, because a lot of questions are there in your examination, will be there in your examination based on these sections or article of our Indian constitution. So you have to have idea about the important sections as well as the important articles. So guys, tell me the right answer for question number 6. It is a case study, and that is the favorite area of the examination conducting body from Indian Contract Act, Law of Tort, Indian Penal Code, etc. Right? So we are trying to cover as much as possible case studies, so that in examination you can relate the questions which will be asked from you, right? Now guys, the right answer for this question is option number B, that is section 166. So A has committed the offense provided under section 166. Section 166 deals with the liability of a public servant disobeying law with intent to cause injury, or knowingly that he is likely to cause injury to any person. Right, guys? Now let's move to the question number 7th. So question number 7th is, when a public servant is bound by some law not to engage in trade and he does engage in trade, he shall be punished with, your options are simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year, or with fine, or with both. Second is rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year, or with fine, or with both. Third is simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years, or with fine, or with both. Rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years, or with fine, or with both, or either B or D. So guys, tell me the right answer for this question. Very good, usually you are participating really very well. So now tell me the right answer for question number 7th. Guys, do not underestimate any chapter which is mentioned in the syllabus of your examination, that this is less important or this is more important, because they know the psychology. Examination conducting a body knows the psychology of the student, that they consider this chapter or this part of any act as a less important, and they consider other chapter as more important, because by reading this psychology they frame a lot of questions from the less important, which you consider less important chapter, from that itself, right? So do not underestimate any chapter as a less important or as a more important, right, guys? So you have to take everything is at par, because questions can be asked from any topic mentioned in the syllabus of your examination. Now tell me the right answer, guys, for question number 7th. So the right answer for question number 7th is option number A, that is simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year, or with fine, or with both. Right, guys? So if you read section 168, it says that whoever being a public servant and by virtue of being such a servant is legally bound not engages in trade shall be punished with simple imprisonment for a term extending up to 1 year, or with fine, or with both. Right? Now let's move to the question number 8. So guys, question number 8 is, it's a very interesting question, that which is punishable as sedition. So your options are bitter criticism of the government to overthrow it. Second is inducing people to cease to obey law and lawful authority. Third is a publicist attack on policies of the government, right? So which of the following is correct, guys? So which of the following is punishable as sedition? Your options are only 1, only 2, only third, both first and second, or both first and third. So guys, now tell me the right answer for this question. Ujjwala is saying option number A for question number 7th. Yeah, Ujjwala, you are right. The right answer was 7th A, right guys? So now tell me the right answer for question number 8th. Read the question carefully. This is a very interesting question as well as important question. So read the question properly, then try to attempt this question. Tell me guys the right answer for question number 8. So the right answer for question number 8 is option number B, that is only second, right? So Supreme Court in Kedarnath Singh versus State of Bihar upheld the constitutionality of section 124A. It limited its application to acts involving the intent or inclination to create public disorder, disruption of law and order, or provocation of violence, among other things, right? So Ujjwala is saying option number A. No, Ujjwala, it's option number B. Oh, sorry, it was a question number 7, sorry, right? So statement first and third are not done to bring disaffection towards government, whereas inciting someone to break the law amounts as sedition, right? So read the explanation carefully. Ujjwala is saying option number D for question number 8. No, it's option number B only, right? That is second. So read the explanation carefully, you will get to know the right answer, right? Now let's move to the question number 9th. So question number 9th is, conspiracy to wage war against government of India has been dealt with under which of the following section? So your options are section 120, section 120A, section 120B, section 121A, or section 122. Now guys, tell me the right answer for question number 9th. Conspiracy to wage war against government. Read the question carefully. Conspiracy. Here we are talking about the conspiracy to wage war against the government. Tell me the right answer, guys. So the right answer for this question is option number D, that is section 121A, right? So if you read section 121A, so it states that whoever within or without India conspires to commit any of the 3 kinds of offenses punishable under section 121, so that is to say waging war against the government of India or attempt to wage such war or abetment of waging such war shall be punishable under this section, that is under section 121A. Right? So the right answer for question number 9 is option number D. Now let's move to the last question of the day. So the last question of the day is, disaffection within section 124A of Indian Penal Code includes which of the following? Read the question carefully. It is disaffection within section 124A, right? So option number A is disloyalty and all feelings of enmity. Option number B is disapprobation of the measures of the government not exciting any contempt. Option number 3 is disapprobation of the administrative measures. Option number D is disapprobation of the other action of the government, or option number E, that is A, B and C. So tell me the right answer, guys, for question number 10th. Read the question carefully, then try to attempt it. Tell me, guys, what is the right answer for question number 10th? So the right answer for question number 10th is option number A, that is disloyalty and all feelings of enmity, right? So explanation 1 of section 124A, the expression disaffection includes disloyalty and all feelings of enmity, right guys? So disaffection within section 124A of Indian Penal Code includes disloyalty and all feelings of enmity, right guys? So these were all 10 questions for the day, which are important from chapter 6 and 9th of the Indian Penal Code. So you are supposed to revise all these MCQs by downloading the PDF from our Telegram channel. And guys, this is the question for achievers. So your question is, what is the punishment for waging war against the government of India under section 121 of the Indian Penal Code 1860? Your options are death or imprisonment for life and shall also be liable to fine, imprisonment for life only, death sentence only, fine only, or none of the above. So you are supposed to give the answer of this question by making the comment in the comment box, and those who will give the right answer, we will display their name in the next session, right? So you know the rule for this question, that is question for achievers, right? So you have to follow the same for this also. So guys, this is all about today's session, guys. I hope you enjoyed and you learned a lot of things. So if you have any query or any doubt regarding anything for SEBI Grade A legal officer examination, like strategy, like content, like anything else for this examination, guys, you can let us know by making comment in the comment box. We'll definitely try to resolve the same, right? So we'll meet in another session. Till then, goodbye and have a good day, friends.